My name is Blake Katznelson. I'm the general manager for Santan Mountain Casino, located here in Chandler, Arizona. We're one of 4 Gila River Resorts and Casinos properties. We are standing in the largest casino sportsbook in Arizona. Behind me, you'll see 100 feet of LED screens, and here in front of me, you have stadium seating with booths, and it's truly tremendous as to what this transforms to on Sunday football days. With the state of Arizona, sports betting is brand new. So when we built this property, we knew that we had to make a statement piece for all the local Arizonians to have a place to watch their favorite sporting events, whether it be UFC, boxing, or football. We made this just for them. Santan Mountain Casino has an innovative design. So we've got windows on 90% of our front of house. That is not by the rule book at all. We've got a 360-degree LED screen. We truly pulled out all the stops when we built this property. The Planar LED video wall gives us that next step. We are full HD. If you go to your local casino down the way, they look like 1980s analog, but it looks bad and the screens have never been updated and it's still the same from when they built it originally. You come here, you're immersed. There's an entire experience to go around it. You get your own booth, you get drinks, you get food, and you get to experience the day with your friends and family at this amazing screen where everybody has a view. The reason we chose the LED walls is to be innovative and to be different. We want our guests to experience all the games, not just one game. So this TV behind me, you can customize it and we can show every single March Madness game all at once at a size where you can actually watch it. And when it's football Sunday, we can have every game on all at once as well. The guests enjoy it. It's really just giving the guests what they want is a one-stop shop to watch all their favorite teams. And that's what you can do here at the sportsbook at Santan Mountain. Around Hive, our center bar, we have a 360-degree screen that loops around the entire facade. And our CEO tasked us, Kenneth Manuel tasked us to think bigger and to think brighter and to be more creative with our designs with this new property. So why not do 360 degrees all the way around? We've got the marketing team working on creative content for it, whether it be a fish tank and it looks like fishes are swimming above you, or we show all the football games all there. It's really the focal point for the property, and it's that place when you have your friends and family meet up with you. Hey, where are you gonna meet? I'm gonna meet at Hive, the 360-degree screen, and it truly pulls out all the stops.
This project tied in not only our audio capabilities, but also our video capabilities as well, the network components to support a casino of this size. The impact that the Planar video wall has brought to us has been monumental. As our guests walk into the casino, you can truly feel the wow factor. We've had people stop dead in their tracks to look up and say, what is that? Having that larger than life imagery supported by the extreme clarity provided by the product has really been something that all the guests have enjoyed. The wow factor, the vibrance, the energy that it's bringing to this property is second to none.
We're really only limited by our imagination. It's so crisp and clear. Oh my gosh, this is the casino? Oh no, this is the place for your entertainment needs. Planar hasn't brought us just to 2023, they've brought us beyond with their screens.